Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Disha Ahuja and I'm Marketing Manager for Coast Mountain College. So today I'm at the page of Turning Point Studies Consultant and I'll be giving you more information regarding where this college is, where Coast Mountain College is, and why choose Coast Mountain College, what programs we are offering, and everything. So we'll just wait for 20 more seconds so that people can join and others can join. So we'll start by that time everyone can join. So hello again, my name is Disha Ahuja. I'm marketing manager for Coast Mountain College. So let's start with where the college is, what programs we are offering and everything. So firstly, the college, Coast Mountain College, is in British Columbia. It's in northwest side of British Columbia. This college is in Canada, in province British Columbia. It's in the northwest side of British Columbia. And overall, Coast Mountain College is having 5 campuses, from which for international students there are 3 campuses available, and those 3 campuses are Prince Rupert, Smithers and Terrace. All those 3 campuses are just 1.5 hour bus ride away from each other, not more than that. And Terrace is the main campus of Coast Mountain College, which is 1.5 hour short flight from Vancouver. It comes around 90 minutes short flight. We say that 1.5 hour short flight from Vancouver. And Terrace is just 5 kilometers away from downtown, which makes it easily accessible for the students who are living on campus, also for the students who are living off campus. And Coast Mountain College is from 1975. Prior to Coast Mountain College, it was called as NWCC, Northwest Community College. In 2017, the name got changed into Coast Mountain College. It's in public college, so all the programs that we are offering, let it be undergraduation diploma, post-graduation diploma or certificate, all are eligible for post-graduation work permit. So I'll come towards the program that we are having and everything. First, we'll talk about eligibility. What eligibility is, basic eligibility for Coast Mountain College. So in academics, we need 50% overall, and we need 50% in your core subjects too. Also, after academics, if you are going through IELTS test, in that we need overall 6 bands, no bands less than 5.5. We accept 5.5 in one module also, and also in 2 modules. I'll repeat, for all the programs, let it be undergraduation or post graduation, IELTS requirement is same, that is overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5. We accept 5.5 in one module also, and also in 2 modules. And if you want to go through PTE is also acceptable. In that we need 58 overall. If you are going through TOEFL, in that we need 95 overall. Many of the students are not able to give IELTS test. For that, Duolingo English test is also acceptable. In that we need 90 overall. So these were all the basic eligibility that I needed to tell you. After that, when I'll come towards program, if there's an extra requirement, I'll let you know. So now let's come towards programs. So for arts background, we'll start with arts background. For arts background, we are having, you can say university credit transfer programs, or you can say associate degrees. So now what are associate degrees or university credit program? If you will be studying 2 years in Coast Mountain College, and Coast Mountain College is having tie-up with a lot of universities. Those types are not just in British Columbia, even outside British Columbia too. So what you will be doing is, you will be studying 2 years. Let's say you are going for Associate of Arts degree that we are having. So you will be studying 2 years in Coast Mountain College, and if you want to complete your degree, you have to do 2 years in university. You can credit your transfers into university. And some of the universities that we are having tie-up with are Royal Roads University, University of British Columbia, UNBC, which is also called as University of Northern British Columbia. So these are some of the universities that we are having tie-up with. So you can complete your degree over there. So as we were talking about associate degrees, so we are having 4 types of associate degrees. Again, they are of 2 years. If you are going for 2-year program, you will be getting work permit. After 2 years, you will be getting work permit for 3 years. If you are going for 1-year program, you will be getting, after completing your 1 year, you will be getting work permit for 1 year. So there are 4 types of associate of degree programs, again of 2 years. And then there is criminology diploma. criminology diploma is an undergraduation diploma for 2 years. And crime justice certificate. Crimes, all the certificates that I'll be telling you are under graduation certificate, on all the certificates are of 1 year. So there is crime justice certificate of 1 year. So all the programs that I told you for arts, the requirement that we need is English proficiency, IELTS band overall 6, no band less than 5.5. We accept 5.5 in one module also. We accept 5.5 in 2 modules also. And academics, as I told you, 50% overall and 50% in core subjects. Also, we might need your police clearance certificate, that is PCC, at the time for criminology diploma program or crime justice certificate. Now, coming towards business background. So for business, we are having 2 programs. We are having undergraduation business diploma and we are having post-graduation business administration diploma. So both are of 2 years. You'll be getting work permit for 3 years, and in this the requirement is we need mathematics. Mathematics is mandatory in undergraduation business administration diploma 2 and also in post graduation business diploma. If you haven't studied mathematics, you should have studied business calculus or statistics. But let's assume that there's a student who haven't studied business mathematics, business calculus or business mathematics, statistics or calculus. We are having option for you too. For September intake, we are having pre-business program. So now what is pre-business program? Pre-business program is just a bridging program towards your main program. Let's assume that you are going for September intake. So in September, you will be doing your pre-business and the main program, that is business administration undergraduation diploma or business administration post-graduation diploma. That will be starting in January. I hope I'm making it clear. If you haven't studied mathematics or statistics or calculus, this is the right program for you to go through pre-business upgrading program. And both of the students, undergraduation diploma or post-graduation business diploma, both of the students can go for pre-business. Also, pre-business are those who have in IELTS who have overall 6 bands but have 5 in just 1 band. So they can also apply through pre-business. I'll repeat. अगर आपके पास मैथमेटिक्स नहीं है, प्री बिजनेस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू, और एल्स आपकी IELTS में रिक्वायरमेंट ओवरऑल से आपकी IELTS में जो मार्क्स है, जो बैंड्स हैं वो ओवरऑल 6 बैंड्स हैं, नो बैंड लेस देन 5 है, एक मॉड्यूल में भी 5 है, तो यू कैन गो थ्रू प्री बिजनेस प्रोग्राम एंड यू विल बी जॉइनिंग योर मेन प्रोग्राम आफ्टर इन सेमेस्टर. Now after business, we are having in social science, we are having social service worker certificate and social service worker diploma. Certificate is for 1 year. Social service worker certificate is an undergraduation certificate for 1 year, and social service worker diploma again undergraduation diploma for 2 years. In this we need mathematics, no other way around. So after that, at last we are having some programs for science background. So we are having, as we were having Associate of Arts degrees, in science background we are having 2 types of Associate of Science degrees. So again, these are the same degrees you can complete, you can transfer your credit into universities. And in Associate of Science degree, in both of the Associate of Science degree, medical and non-medical, both of the students are eligible. If you have studied physics, chemistry, biology, you can go on Associate of Science program. Or else if you have studied physics, chemistry, mathematics, you can also go for Associate of Science degree program, again 2-year program. And then we are having applied coastal ecology undergraduation program and applied coastal ecology post graduation program. So applied coastal ecology undergraduation is for 2 years and applied coastal ecology post graduation is for 1 year. Now this is a kind of subject that I'll think that what I'll be studying in that subject. So if you will, as I told you that there are 3 campuses and one of them is Prince Rupert. So this program, that is applied coastal ecology, is conducted in Prince Rupert campus, and if you will search Prince Rupert on Google, you will find that Prince Rupert is surrounded by coastal area. So you will be getting first hand experience in applied coastal ecology. And applied coastal ecology, as I told you, post degree is for 1 year. So now we'll think that what kind of student is suitable for and eligible for applied coastal ecology post graduation. So for that, a student should have studied environmental studies subject, at least one subject in their degree. I'll repeat, अगर कोई student post graduation applied coastal ecology diploma में जाना चाहता है, in that student should have studied environmental studies का कोई भी एक subject, let it be botany, let it be zoology, basically BSc agriculture वालों के लिए this is the best relevant program they can go for. And at last of all the programs, we are having engineering and physical science certificate, again under graduation certificate for 1 year. So these were all the programs that I wanted to inform you about. But if you're having any doubts in program, as in what will be my career pathway after this, what kind of let's say subjects I'll be studying, what kind of credits I'll be getting, everything is mentioned in Coast Mountain College website. From the subjects you will be studying, what credits you will be getting, to what will be the career pathway after completing this program, everything is mentioned in detail. So I would request you to go on Coast Mountain College website and search international programs, and you will find all the programs that I am telling about. Also, if you are having any doubt that if my profile or I am eligible for Coast Mountain College, send your profile to Turning. Yes, so you can send your profile to Turning Point Studies Consultants. So they will tell you that what to do and what not to do, and if you're eligible or not, everything. So now, as I told you about where the college is and what are the programs that we are offering, now the question comes, why choose Coast Mountain College? There are many colleges, right? Why choose Coast Mountain College? So the first thing is that it's in public college. All the programs that we are having are eligible for post-graduation work permit. After that, we also give you on-campus residence. On-campus residence is available on Terrace and on Smithers campus. You can get on-campus residence on 500 Canadian dollars per month. After that, your class sizes would not be more than 15 to 20 students. So you will be getting more of interaction with your teachers. Teacher will know you, you will know teachers, and everything. That will help you, because Coast Mountain College believes more into practical learning. It comes around 60% of practical learning, 40% of theoretical knowledge. And as we are talking about practical learning, I would also like to add that we conduct intensive training programs. So if let's assume you have gone for business program, or let's say applied coastal ecology, so at the time of your breaks of spring and summer break, you will be getting an opportunity to go outside your 4 walls and study outside your 4 walls, and also you'll be getting credit for that. These field schools take place in Canada also, and also sometimes in United States. So this is a good opportunity for you. Other than that, you will be getting help in everything. As I told you that on-campus residence is available, but if you don't want to stay on campus, let's say you want to go for apartment sharing or else homestay, college helps you with that. If you're lacking in one subject or 2 subjects or anywhere, so college give you learning assistance too. College helps you with everything. If you're not able to find a part-time job, college helps you with that. If you want to know that how you can strong your resume, college helps you with that too. International counselors play a big role there. We are there to help you and guide you. So these were some of the points that I wanted you to clear regarding Coast Mountain College, why choose and everything. Also, prior to you going to college, we conduct pre-departure session. So now what is pre-departure session? Pre-departure session is just 40-45 minutes Skype or Zoom call, and what we'll be doing in that video call is that we'll be answering all of your questions, because I know that visa आने के पहले हमें सिर्फ visa आने की tension होती है. Once the visa comes, the actual question starts, that how I'll reach my college, Vancouver से मैं अपने college कैसे पहुँचूँगा, and who will be my contact person and everything. So we tell you according to weather what you have to pack. Also, just how you can apply for your library card, how you will be getting free bicycles from your library card, everything is mentioned in detail. So that will be a best option for you to join that pre-departure session. And as per tuition fees is concerned, Coast Mountain College tuition fee is 7,000 Canadian dollar. It's 7,000 Canadian dollar for a semester, 14,000 Canadian dollar for an year, in which in your first term your health insurance is also covered. I'll repeat, the tuition fees of Coast Mountain College is 7,000 Canadian dollar for a semester, 14,000 for an year, in which in your first term health insurance is covered. And we are also having application fee. That's a non-refundable application fee, that is 100 Canadian dollars. But we do your pre-assessment, so that 100 Canadian dollar will not go on waste. If you're eligible, you will be joining in Coast Mountain College. And turnaround time for offer letter is 8 to 10 working days. Also, if you're having any doubts, you can contact Turning Point Studies Consultant. They'll get back to you. And many of you might have query that do we accept educational gap? Yes, we do accept. Educational gap is accepted, and it's nothing like 1 or 2 years. Last intake, there was a student who went for post-graduation business administration and had gap of 8 years, and he's in the campus. So that would not, educational gap would be not a problem, and backlogs are 8 accepted, not more than that. So these were some of the points that I wanted to cover. If you're having any doubts that were not answered in your live session, you can just send us your comments and we'll get back to you. I hope this session was informative. For more information, go on Coast Mountain College website and just go on social media of Coast Mountain College. You'll be getting to know more about the updates. I hope this session was informative for you. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day.